Life is busy. In today's fast-paced world, it seems like there's always something demanding our attention. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our days are filled with endless tasks and responsibilities. We face pressure from all sides. Whether it's the stress of meeting deadlines at work, managing household chores, or keeping up with academic studies, the weight of these responsibilities can be overwhelming. Work deadlines, family commitments, and social expectations all take a toll. The constant barrage of notifications and the need to stay connected can make it feel like there's no escape. Stress has become a silent epidemic. It's a pervasive issue that affects people of all ages and backgrounds, often creeping up on us without warning. It affects our sleep, our relationships, and even our physical health. Chronic stress can lead to insomnia, strained relationships, and a host of health problems, including headaches and high blood pressure. Many of us search for ways to handle stress. We turn to self-help books, online resources, and various techniques in hopes of finding relief. We try meditation or exercise. These practices can be beneficial, helping to calm the mind and strengthen the body. But what if I told you a simple mineral could help? This often overlooked nutrient might be the key to managing stress more effectively. Magnesium is crucial for our well-being. Found in foods like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains, it's essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It's involved in over 300 processes in the body, from muscle function to nerve regulation. Magnesium plays a vital role in keeping us balanced. Yet many people don't get enough. Modern diets often lack sufficient magnesium, leading to deficiencies that can exacerbate stress. Low magnesium can worsen stress, leading to a vicious cycle. When our bodies are deprived of this essential mineral, our stress levels can spiral out of control. In this essay, we'll explore magnesium's power. We'll delve into how it can help mitigate stress and improve overall well-being. Discover how it can be your secret weapon against stress. By understanding and incorporating magnesium into your daily routine, you can take a significant step towards a calmer, healthier life. Magnesium is an essential mineral for our health. Our bodies need it to function correctly and efficiently. Think of it as a calming agent for your nerves and mind. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain. These messengers control mood, sleep, and stress response. Magnesium also helps produce GABA, a crucial neurotransmitter. GABA is a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. When your magnesium levels are low, your nervous system becomes overactive. This leads to feelings of stress, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. Magnesium acts like a natural chill pill, easing tension. It binds to GABA receptors, enhancing GABA's calming effects significantly. Imagine a lock and key. GABA is the key and the receptor is the lock. Magnesium helps the key turn smoothly, unlocking deep relaxation. Additionally, magnesium helps regulate cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone in our bodies. When we're chronically stressed, cortisol stays elevated, wreaking havoc on our bodies. Magnesium helps bring cortisol levels back down, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Section 4. Magnesium, a health powerhouse. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. Stress management is just the tip of the iceberg. Magnesium helps to calm the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of tranquility. Magnesium offers a wide range of health benefits. It is found in a variety of foods such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate. It supports heart health by regulating blood pressure and heart rhythm. Regular intake of magnesium can help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. It also aids in blood sugar control, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. By improving insulin sensitivity, magnesium helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Furthermore, magnesium is crucial for muscle function and recovery. It helps in muscle contraction and relaxation, making it essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It prevents muscle cramps and spasms, promoting relaxation and better sleep. Adequate magnesium levels can improve sleep quality and duration. Magnesium also contributes to bone health by aiding in calcium absorption. This ensures that our bones remain strong and healthy, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Section 5. Filling your magnesium gap. Ready to experience the power of magnesium? This essential mineral is crucial for many bodily functions. including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and bone health. Start by incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious and versatile. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources. They can be easily added to salads, smoothies, and various dishes. Almonds, avocado, and dark chocolate are also good choices. These foods not only provide magnesium, but also offer other health benefits. If you struggle to meet your needs through diet alone, consider a magnesium supplement. Supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough. Talk to your doctor to determine the proper dosage and form for you. It's important to get personalized advice to avoid any potential side effects. Magnesium glycinate, citrate, and threonate are popular and well-absorbed forms. Each type has its own benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs. In conclusion, magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in stress management and overall well-being. It helps to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. By ensuring adequate magnesium intake, you can unlock its calming effects and enjoy a healthier, more balanced life. Make magnesium a part of your daily routine and feel the difference it can make.